Din belami karai lembok menteri rangba ke Jylla Assam himanta biswa sarma Halor ke Khang ban bam do Masi hapo jong ke Jylla Assam hibro kawai UMLA jong ke North Shillong constituency kata uba Sanbor Shullai uloong ba udah Sngew Pyrshah Halor ke ni karai jong ke Jylla Assam ban bam do Masi nomor uloong ba hapo keri India ne baru setelah kepertai kam simladon kata ke kendon ban Khang ban bam ya kino kijaj lada ki kwa ban bam la ke de kimrat ne ki put ki khnyang berwat sen berkenyang lar thamru ke song ha kino ki bakwa ban bam Henry kam judai ka hok ban Khang kum ta uloong boun sapha de ke jingtho hapo Delhi perkum juru ya menteri rang badu ke Jylla Assam uhimanta biswa sarma ban ong bo da Sngew Pyrshah Halor karai ke Jong ban Khang ban bam ya kedok Masi bersusu uloong ru bahapo jong ke Jylla Meghalaya uloong kat badang im mau aila delele ru em bakum kene ke jingja kan ja ban Khang ban bam dok Masi hapo jong ke Jylla Meghalaya hi bro kawai.
It should not happen in Meghalaya because I condemn and I oppose. You see, when we are traveling every part of the world, and the Constitution of India also there is no law that restrict to ban any kind type of meat to eat. We are traveling all about the world. You will see in Bangkok, Indonesia, Malaysia, in the European country, Asian country, they even eat snake. There is no restriction. Rats, insects, scorpion, they eat. So why should they restrict to eat beef?
But Madas,
I oppose. Here in Meghalaya, it is your choice. You can eat snakes. We eat dog. I used to eat dog when I'm young. Now also, just 2 months back, my friend, he sent me 1 power dog meat. I eat nicely with my wife. So what?
So
Yeah, it's not good too. Why suddenly you ban? You cannot force. It's your choice. You want to eat snake, you want to eat beef, it's your choice. It should not happen. I will stand firmly. Here will not happen. As far as Sanbor is alive, I'll not ban. This is an independent state. We can eat snake, beef, scorpion, insect, whatever we like. Eat. Enjoy. Christmas is coming now. We enjoy Christmas. Eat everything. New Year is coming. Eat everything. No restriction. Let us enjoy. Happy Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance. Thank you.
Ma, but this ban has been imposed by BJP-led government. Ma.
You see, I'm here today as a BJP Sanbor. So my BJP style of function is different. So in Assam, the style of functioning is different. Here is a BJP Sanbor.
So, but will you advise the party leadership that this is a wrong move and this?
Yes, I have prepared already. To send my message to the center. Copy I'll be giving to you. I'll send to Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma that we feel bad. We feel so sorry. Should not do all these things. You see, we have the law. We restrict the criminal, but in terms of eatable things, they should not restrict.